When I'm strapped for time and I want a really quick dinner, then I always turn to soup. This is a fantastic option. It's my miso and cauliflower soup. So we start with the miso base. This is a fantastic miso base. It already has the seaweed in it and all the beautiful flavours. So I'm just going to cut the packet open and we'll just add this to a small pot. And this is a perfect amount for 2 people. Look at that base. To this, I'll add my little cauliflower florets. I've just cut them into bite-sized pieces. I want this to be a bit of a chunkier style soup. We don't need to blend this whatsoever. So in with the cauliflower, and I'll cover this with a little water just to help that cauliflower cook. I'll pop the heat on, lid on, and we're going to cook it until that is super tender. It's only going to take about 5 minutes. Let's have a look at this soup. It smells fantastic. And just to check that that cauliflower is cooked, just grab a small knife. Perfect. Last thing I want to add to this is a little tofu. You could use some silken tofu. I've got some firm tofu here. And we'll just stir that through. We just want to warm it. It's a chunky, hearty soup full of flavour. I love those speckles of seaweed there. Seaweed is so good for you in winter. This is the type of dinner I want when I'm in a hurry, but I want something still super nutritious. I'm going to get it from a soup like this. A little garnish of spring onions. And there you go. Miso soup with cauliflower, something a little different.